feel the urge for road rage. Okay, road rage actually is something that is inside you.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's inside you for a while. When does it really become bad? It becomes bad when you react to it.
Mm-hmm.
No, yeah, and how do you react to it? Paano ka nag-react? No, let's cite one of the incidents last time na sabi nga nung iba, sana hindi sana nagkaganon if you didn't get out of the vehicle.
Mm-hmm. Or
No?
kung hindi mo kinuha yung bakal
Yes,
mo.
yes.
Okay.
Well, marami ang kumampi sa kanya no during that time because as everybody sees it, it's self-defense,
Mm-hmm.
no? Kasi ang tagal na no? Actually, ang haba ng pasensya niya sobra. Kasi kung talagang siya loko, dapat nung umpisa pa lang,
Mm-hmm.
ginawa na niya. Hindi niya ginawa napakahaba.
Kumbaga yung
Sobrang
yung boiling
haba
point niya
ng
mahaba.
yes. Until such na talagang he felt
Punong-puno
na
na.
talagang
Oo.
hindi ako titigilan nito. That's why. Pero sabi nga ng iba, it shouldn't have started if you didn't get out of your vehicle, no?
Mm-hmm.
Well, hinarangan siya, hindi siya makakaalis. Sabi nila, you should have waited, no? It's easier said than done.
Yes.
Especially if you're going to something, no? You're going to a place na you really have to be there in a certain point of time. So, kahit paano kung hindi nga talaga mag-alisan doon o kaya dumami pa sila, 'di ba, nakahanap ng kakampi, apparently
Kuyog na.
kuyog ka na, kakalampagin kayo. You are with your family, you have to defend yourself, no? So, so that's it. That's actually road rage. Road rage is something that na pagka meron ka ng when you reacted to it which is not, you know, ano paano ba natin sasabihin 'yon na dapat sinasang-ayunan
Mm-hmm.
ng karamihan. No,
Mm-hmm.
that's when it becomes bad.
Yes, sir.
The
So,
road
nabanggit
rage.
nyo rin kanina, no, yung talk show. So, magiging speaker din kayo doon, no?
Yes,
So,
yun nga.
etong talk show na to, can we hear from Ma'am Jo? Ano ba
Yes.
yung Tactical Survival in Arms Expo 2025?
Yes. And then, para sundan natin how to avoid road
Yan.
rage.
Yun.
Pumunta kayo sa Tactical Survival and Arms Expo or Tax Expo. So yung Tax Expo kasi, it started in 2017. So it was a brainchild of the Tuason family. Nga, we, as part of our CSR, but the show is for free. So we do not charge. But then here, we offer LTAP caravan services, of course in coordination with PNP and of course also with AFP. And then, aside from the display of guns, meron din tayong free seminars, of course, by our very...
Yeah, kasama din po ako doon.
Yes, kasama yun si DJ Mark. So, this is a one-stop shop event. And meron din activity center, di ba? So, daddies, especially ngayong malapit ng Father's Day, di ba? Celebrate natin, dalhin natin si mommy and kids. Pwedeng-pwede sila sa loob ng Tax Expo. Diba? So, habang ikaw nagsha-shop, pwedeng yung anak mo naman nasa activity center, and then si mommy din pwedeng makinig sa seminars, diba? So, aside from the pre-seminars, meron din tayong, nandun rin po ang Armed Forces, Coast Guard, Navy, to showcase their search and rescue capabilities, diba? And also, PCADG or Police Community Affairs, Development Group Frontline. And we will also have new firearms
Wow,
on
may,
display.
may bagong item.
Yun.
So yung mga, ano tawag dyan, yung mga L-top, no?
Yes.
Yung mga kating-kating
Yeah.
bumili.
Mhm.
Pwede. So,
All right, we're gonna go on a short break, and I actually have the perfect song lined up right now, and I feel ko incredibly fits the theme that we have for the day. No? So this
alright.
is ACDC with Highway to Hell, only on Jam
man.
88.3.
Ganun na.
Highway to hell. Mga matugtog mo. Highway to hell.
Yes. Pagka back air, tell them if they have questions, just comment under yung live link sa
Because I used to have the
Facebook.
call in, right? But then I lost my phone, so just comment or on Twitch and then just read out. Because they usually
Pero
have.
actually, nagloloko tong mouse. So Di ba?
Yeah.
Ganun.
Kahit yung comment na
Baka on
nandun
Facebook
sa...
na.
Yeah.
And then just the 2 songs, just keep it short songs.
Yeah. Also, okay lang ba yun? Medyo we need
Ang ingay nga niya, ano ba to?
Yung
Lagyan mo sa
air-
2.
Kailangan ba yan?
Press mo.
Is that
Press
an
mo.
electric fan? I
Ano?
think it's an air
Press mo.
purifier.
So mag-off lahat ng lights, di ba?
Mm-mm.
So pag press mo,
One.
mag-on yung 1, lagyan mo hanggang 2.
Maybe kaya bang lipat siya here para at least hindi siya nakatapat sa mic?
Yun 2, I think okay na rin eh.
Hindi, nakatapat, narinig daw siya sa mic. Eh.
Ano number na yan?
Hindi.
Ay, 3 na ba yan? Parang
Three.
hindi siya
Tatakpang ko
nag-two.
siya.
Lagyan mo lang siya sa 2.
Parang nag-skip siya.
Usually, sobrang lamig po dito. It's just that today,
Ayan.
it's really unfortunate.
Ayan, 2. Narinig siya sa mic, Vera. Narinig siya sa mic.
Yeah. I was trying to figure, akala ko kanina parang may white noise. So I was trying to figure out the controls, but I realized that's on there.
Sa Facebook
But
na
if it
merong
can't be helped,
pag angat ng mixer may ahas. Sabi kaya pala may hissing sound eh. Sa inner plug na namin eh. May hiss pa rin eh.
Hmm. Saan yun? Saan yun? Saan?
Sa ibang mong bansa. Parang Thailand yata yun. Matano, troubleshoot na ito. Nakababa naman lahat ng mixer. Ang tato.
Kamusta yung love life? Kamusta yung love life?
Ano tayo dito? Jordy Mango.
Kamusta na ka ba? Ba't ka nagpagupit, nag-away ba kayo?
Kanina you had 1,600 views.
Mhm.
Talaga naman.
Dito si Ma'am Jud.
I'm sorry, 2.1k na.
2,056.
2,000.
Comments.
Tapos ilan pang 5 minutes ulit yun napasok? Era, ilang 5 minutes pa ulit napasok tayo?
ilang 5 minutes na pasok. So matatapos
Apat?
tayo 25, 26 plus another 5 minutes, 30, 35. I can't do math.
Sige, let's assume na, so nakapasok ka na siguro mga 3 pas.
35 tayo magsa-start.
Mga 2 or 3 pang pasok.
Okay.
Okay. Sige.
2 and 3. So ang
You
next
can
na
make it
pasok
1 to 2 songs
banggit
na
yung
lang.
end.
Para if the
Para
discussion
doon
is
sa
so...
mga first time, ano yung bibit-bitin nila? Para
Ikaw
hindi
na
na
magsabi.
magpabalik-balik.
Tungkol sa
May
ganito.
comment na.
Meron na ito.
Meron na. One
Sa
comment.
Facebook na po, we
Pa-shoutout
don't
daw
sell
po
guns,
si
pero
Vince
bibenta ka pa.
Paragas.
Sabi ganun, ha?
Vince Paragas.
Vince
Pa-shout out.
Shout out.
Parang narinig ko na si Vince Paragas. Sino yun?
Send mo yung Gcash kasi may shoutout.
Oo nga. Oo nga.
Pasend ko ng
Parang sa bar, boss, request na ng kanta.
Asan yung nakataglo?
Merong ano, ayun.
Tignan kung may,
Nasaan?
kung may mahuhulog sa papel.
Meron ba?
Ay, di-discuss ba natin yung third and final reading? Yung gusto mo?
Ah, hindi.
Yung
Third and final
yung
reading ng
bagong batas,
amendment.
yung amendment ng Republic Act 591
Sige, pwede natin lagay sa pangatlo.
para meron silang aabangan something to ano.
If ever hindi na natapos ang discussion, pwede pong bumalik ulit sa jobs. Sa show ulit ni Mark.
Napalitan ba yung name? Hindi naman napalitan yung name, di ba?
Na
Kumbaga amendment lang.
amendment.
Amendment lang.
Yun ba yung 4th Amendment? Na, I'm not gonna show you my ID.
Hindi, kasi US yun.
Sa US.
Yun yung nakakahiblad sa akin yung araw. Ay, lately. Yung mga napapanood ko.
Mm. Ano yun? Second Amendment.
You're right.
The right to
I
keep
can
and
smell
bear.
marijuana in your car. Mga gano'n. Bad trip. Yung meron lang nag-stop over na sa gas station or sa park. Kasi pagod na
Say
mag-drive.
hi, say hi, say hi.
Tapos,
I'll shout you out on air.
tapos gano'n kaagad yung ano. You're suspicious. You're committing a crime. Tutulog na ako committing a crime.
Ano AM station ako? Sa
Yeah.
ano
Long
lang,
live.
sa provincial edition,
Yeah,
FM. Pero dito sa Manila, pero AM dating guest dito.
Mm.
First time FM station. sa Manila.
Ano, nainitan kayo, larangan ko lang.
Wala po yan. Go lang po.
Ina-advance ko
Kaya
na
naman po ako
exam.
nandito, taga-paypay. Sorry.
Advantage ko na flexible.
Usapan natin. Usapan natin yung love life ni Banda.
Kailan ba yung tax?
Ha?
Kailan nga ba yung tax?
Eh, kailan nga ba?
Ay, next week na pala yun.
Next week. Baka mag-text na si Ma'am Jo. Sir Mark, where na you?
Nasa Osaka.
Ikaw na on stage. Wala pa pa.
2.4K. Char.
Okay, we have 45 seconds.
Load and make ready. Standby. Sir, pabarilin yung sa gitna. And then, Pag may makukulit na estudyante, no?
Hindi ko.
10 seconds. GM 88.3, that was Corn with It's On because the heat is truly on here
Yes,
on
it
Guns
is.
and Road Rage. Still with DJ Mark and our special
Code
guest,
Red
another
Ring.
Mark number 2, and Joy Ibay. Alright, let's pick up where we left off, guys.
Alright, thank you so much, Era. Okay, so kanina na pag-usapan nyo ano yung LTOT, no? Pero bago muna yan, baka magkalimutan. Kailan nga ba tong ano na to, Tax Expo? Kaya tanong ni Sir Mark Buchanan, oo nga ba, kailan ba yan? Baka mag-text kami, sir. Dito na me, where na you? Ikaw na magtotalk. Okay, andito
Anong
na yung mga
meron?
listeners mo from Jam. Andito na sila sa ano, sa Mega Trade. Okay, so Ma'am Ibay, kailan nga po ba itong ano,
Yes.
Tax Expo?
Thank you, DJ Mark. Okay, yung Tax Expo natin will be held next week from June 19 to 22. At saan nga ba? Sa Mega Trade Hall.
Alam
Doon
mo na.
tayo makita-kita, okay?
Mega Trade Hall.
SM Mega Mall, Mandaluyong. So, doon nga sa Tax Expo, meron tayong LTOP.
Mhm.
Makita na LTOP. Ano nga ba yung LTOP?
Yes.
License to own and possess firearm. So before owning a gun, you should have a valid LTOP. So for new applicants, ano ba ang kailangan, Sir Mark? Diba? Kailangan nilang pumasa sa neuro, interview, neuro exam, drug test, and national police clearance.
Gun safety seminar.
Gun safety seminar, of course. And then kapag PNP naman kayo or AFP personnel, kailangan ng ID. So
Mhm.
para hindi na sila kukuha sa neuro and drug test since regular naman nilang ginagawa yon. So when you go to Tax Expo, nandun lahat yung services na yon. Gun
Parang
safety seminar,
one-stop shop.
Yes,
One-stop
so
shop.
nandun ang personnel from Philippine National Police to facilitate the processing of the LTOP. And also, meron din tayong renewal ng firearm registration and application ng firearm registration. So, during Tax Expo, yun din, good news, we are also availing of the express releasing of firearms purchased during the 4-day show.
Mhm. Wow. Pagka mga ganyan mga requirements, kunyari, nakompleto naman nila. Minsan, next question to that is, magkano ba ilalabas nila?
Yan. Okay, so different
O-
pa yun.
Or PM is daki na lang po, ma'am.
PMS. Actually, they can check out the page of the Farms and Explosives Office for the rates of
Mhm.
LTOP and also the services.
So meaning to say, short firearm, pag sabing short firearm, pistol to. Then
Yes,
long
yes.
firearm, mga rifles. So ibig
Oo.
sabihin, magva-vary din.
Mag-vary,
I
yes.
see.
Depende sa type ng LTOP. Kasi
Yes.
meron tayong type 1 hanggang type 5.
Mhm.
Type 1, you can own up to 2 guns. Type 2, up to 5, and so on.
Mhm.
So, yun, depende din yung Pero for the requirements, siguro for the neuro, drug test, national police clearance, prepare ka ng mga 2 to 3K.
Mhm.
Then, pag na-approve yung LTOP mo, then that's the time you will pay for the LTOP application fee.
Ayos.
Pero only small arms can be registered for your LTOP. So yung mga light weapons, Class A light weapons, and Class B light weapons, pwede yun i-register yun under a government agency, not an individual, but an agency. Sila yung pwedeng magmay-ari ng mga Class A light weapon. So yun yung kanina merong kasing misconception, may sinatawag na high power, may tinatawag na long arm, short arm. Wala nang ganon. If a firearm fires in a single pull of the trigger, one shot, one pull, so that's a small arm. No?
Mhm.
Then kung ito naman, kahit na ito ay maliliit na caliber, no, but when you pull the trigger, it goes off ng
Sunod-sunod.
automatically. That's Class A light weapon. That cannot be registered under
But
for an LTOP holder.
For a
Yes.
semi-auto na rifle.
Semi-auto pwede.
Pwede.
Yes.
Rifle, kahit 556.
556.
I see. Okay. So mamaya na napag-usapan kanina off the air, yung amendment. So merong mamaya itotalk si Sir Mark. Pero hindi ito yung amendment sa Fourth Amendment ng Amerika. No? Yung amendment ng pang Pilipinas. Okay? So mamaya balikan natin yon at we can hear more about that kay Sir Mark Focanan. Alright?
Alright, I'm queuing up another song. Actually, natutuwa ako sa lineup natin. This is like the perfect show to queue up the hardest, rockiest
Yes.
songs that we have
That's
on
what we
here.
are.
Yeah, so right up next, I have a little bit of Metallica for you, and then I'll be playing a little bit of Muse, and I hope you guys like this. I'd also like to do a little shout out to Friends and Furious' wife, Noemi. If you're tuned in right now, we hope you're having a good time listening to this show while you're driving.
And there's
Yeah,
like another person that wants to show Vince para.
Ah, okay.
Vince Paragas, good evening and thanks for listening, tuning in at Jam 8.3.
Gorgeous. Thank you so much. And once again, here is Metallica with Of Wolf and Man, only on Jam 88.3.
Ang you kind of rock is hindi Jam 88.3.
No. I don't know. I guess probably from before.
Is it?
And you kind
Jam
of...
8.3, you're kind of
No,
rock.
huwag mong tanongin si Vera. She's Gen Z.
Ah,
Hindi, yung... May
Yung mga
sinasabi
tagline.
siyang tagline
Ano,
before a new kind of
Hindi
rock.
ko pa bisa-
No, I think it's
Ah,
probably
new kind
Jam,
of-
pero like matagal na.
yun kasi favorite ni Sandy.
Ah.
Yun lang yung sinasabi. I-retro ko kaya Sir Mark, no? You always listening to it. 9 DMZ.
DMZ. Wala na ba yun?
Wala na. Tululaway ko nga doon sa yung studio nila eh. Sa tingin ko, pinagbibenta na mga plaka nila doon eh. Mga
Hey, oo
40.
nga, hindi ko pala nasabi. Like, for the people tuning in, they can drop in their questions.
It's okay.
I'll mention it next. First thing.
Wait, let's see here.
Ate, hulas na hulas na.
I know, I feel ya.
Sorry.
Kumukuha tayo ng oxygen sa kabila. Kaya kami
Yeah. It's just insanely hot. If we refresh this ba, lilitaw yung mga comments or it shouldn't matter?
I haven't tried.
So I'm not really a techie person. I'm not really a techie person,
So
but
that's
I...
the second one. So this is
I'm
the
only
third
used to
one.
going on live sa Instagram kasi,
Mm-mm.
not on
Okay.
Facebook.
So possible pa mag-fourth
Pang ilang stop set pa sila?
stop.
So this,
Mga
we're
dalawa
like
pa.
halfway through Metallica, and after this, do you wanna go right back in?
Pwede.
Hindi.
Oo, pwede.
Or
Metallica
one more
tapos may
song?
isa pang song. Ano. Kasi
One
nga
more
sabi ni Ro,
Yeah,
parang
one or two
naging
songs.
podcast yata kanina, so bumabaw.
Ay, hindi.
Naman,
No, no.
nasusunod naman natin yung...
Not
release
today,
song.
Mamaya ko na kwento. Yeah. So, di ba sa ang importante, there's like a song in between. It's not just like all talking. So, pwede naman like a one song in between.
One more song.
Na pwedeng isa, and then you can talk again. Para mas yung discussion.
Ang akin lang naman, I'm just trying to stick to like making sure na the clock is on like multiples of 5 para
nga.
madaling i-compute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Because I get easily confused with numbers.
Yeah. Gosh, I know it. Para you can, just have a couple of more things to discuss, syempre. Okay lang naman. Basta ang
We can go right, so we have like a minute and a half left and then we can go right back in.
Yeah. After a minute and a half.
Sulitin natin.
Oo naman. Yeah.
Hey, I miss going on here.
Diba? Kaya nga.
Yeah. I haven't been here a lot lately.
Hindi, last week wala kasi
Yan
sila.
yung
Were you on
animation.
board last week?
Yeah, Wednesday.
Yung ilan sa mga...
We did like horror stories.
Ah, okay.
Tapos the listeners were like, I had to turn off the radio while driving because you guys were scaring me. But it was
Sino
fun.
may kasama ka?
Yeah, I brought in fellow radio DJs from
Yeah.
college. Yeah,
Cool.
tapos we just talked and talked.
Oo
and
nga.
talked. Okay, we have 45 seconds before we go back in.
Yep. 45 seconds.
45 seconds.
45. Ah, okay, wait. Stop set. There we go.
Hangin. Pasok hangin ulit.
Tapos sabihin mo, wala yung wallet
Okay,
mo.
30 seconds. 15.
Si Sir Vince. Shout out Sir Vince.
Okay. Vince Rock.
Si Vince Rock, tactical yan, si Vince Rock.
GM 88.3. We are back on Guns and World Rage, still with DJ Mark. DJ Mark, come in.
Yep, that's right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Jam 88.3. Shout out muna kay Vince Rock, who's tuning right now. Good evening. And sa mga makakasama sa Tax Expo, Black Ops,
The stack gear.
Stock Gear, Ondoy Boat,
Yeah.
yeah,
Arms Corps, of course.
Arms Corps.
Squires.
I think we have a couple of people listening also, not just on Twitch, but on our Facebook Live as well. So if you have any questions about the events we
Yes.
have coming up, or any concerns that you think our special guests may be able to answer, feel free to drop a comment down below on our stream, and we'll be happy to answer it for you.
Yes, and that's right. So, balikan natin yung amendment. Again, hindi ito yung katulad sa napapanood nyo sa Facebook. No, yung mga nagwa-viral na ano yun? I'm practicing the Fourth Amendment and so on and so on. Pero
Yeah.
ito, Philippine version to.
Yes.
So, Sir Mark,
This is
Take
the
it away.
the Republic Act 10591, or the Comprehensive Firearm and Ammunition Act of 2013, So they have amended it. It's now on its third and final reading. So it's a very good news to all gun holders, no? So number one of the highlights of this one is the gun ban is shortened from 6 months to 45 days before and 5 days after election day, no? So yun na lang ang coverage, masyado na siyang maikli, no? 45 days before and 5 days after the election day. And then ammunition purchase limits raised from 50 dati, no, from 50 to 500 rounds for non-sport shooters and up to 5,000 rounds for sport shooters, no? Hindi ko lang alam kung kaya mong bitbitin yung 5,000 rounds if yours na. Then permit to carry our validity are extended from 2 years to 5 years, no? And then firearms business license validity extended from 5 to 10 years. Alam mo 'yon, so hindi ka na pabalik-balik, ang dami mo nga asikasuhin. Ginawa na nilang very madali, no? Very sa mga tao na to do everything when it comes to legality of owning a gun or selling a gun like that. And of course, this is on a third and final reading. We're hoping that this will be approved very soon enough. We believe that the IRR, the implementing rules and regulation, won't be out before the barangay election. Pero we hope na sana maaprubahan agad to, no? In the fastest time, no. So sabi nila, bakit masyado yung ini-endorse yung having a firearm? Masyado ba kayong violente? No. Having a firearm is a sport, no? It's one of the good things about shooting firearms is sport. It brings camaraderie, it's sportsmanship, no? It's a gentleman sports. Yung mapapansin mo nga when you shoot, when you go to gun show, everybody is so calm, everybody is so gentle, no? Makasagay, sorry sirs, ganun eh. Ganun sila, no? Minsan yung mga magugulo, yung hindi, they don't own a firearm because they know hindi nila kaya pumatay. But being a responsible firearm, you know your capability, the power that what you have in your hand. So that's why you need to have control over it. No, so ang essence diyan is what do you do? What do you have to do? What do you need to do when you encounter these things? No? There should be a certain limit kung hanggang saan lang ako kikilos.
Relax, calm.
Yon.
Masingit ko lang, sir. Narinig yung cardinal rules. Ano ba
Yes, the four cardinal rules of gun safety. No, it was developed by Colonel Jeff Cooper, no, from US. So for every shooting range that you go to, all around the world, you will see all these four rules of gun safety. No? So always, number one is always treat your firearm or any firearm as if it is always loaded. No.
Okay.
Kinlear mo na, kinasa mo na, you should always treat it as it is loaded. Kahit sabi mo, wala nang load yan, kinasa ko na, tinanggal ko ni magazine. What if the extractor is broken? So, maaaring merong naiwang round sa loob. Number 2 is keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to shoot. No? So, sabi nga nila, ang barel ay may sa demonyo, hindi totoo yon. No? It will only fire when you pull the trigger. So you should have a trigger discipline. No? Kahit walang safety ang baril, maraming baril ang walang safety. It should be your finger that should be safe. You should, number 3, you should not point your gun at anything you are not willing to destroy. So ibig sabihin, anywhere you go, wherever, in the range, at home, in a vehicle, you should always point it in a very safe direction para pag nagkaroon ng aksidente, hindi walang casualty ng tao. And then number 4 is you always make sure of your target and what is behind it. So dapat when you fire, when you shoot in a shooting range, indoor or outdoor, you should always make sure na wala nang tao doon. Kasi meron tayong mga range officers, especially sa Arms Corps Marikina, Arms Corps Makati. Yan, meron nagkakabit ng mga targets. So, you have to make sure.
Thank you so much, Sir Mark. So, yan, tandaan nyo yung 4 cardinal rules on gun safety. Alright? So, standby lang at marami pa tayong pag-uusapan.
Yeah, and for the listeners, take this time to think about any questions that you have, and this is the perfect time to send them in para, on our next segment, when we come back, right here on Guns and Road Rage, we can be able to begin answering them, actually. We have experts right here on board. But for now, as promised, I will be playing a little bit of Muse for you. Here is Resistance, only on Jam 88.3, where everything rocks.
Kagaling mag-English eh. Nakaka-inlove eh.
Nakaka-inlove ka with English, Doy. Doy, yung galing
Kagaling mag-English. Grabe, sana ganun ako kagaling magsalita eh.
May switch.
May switch.
Si Ma'am Jen,
Nagpa-code
narinig
switch
mo
tayo
kanina.
dito.
Si Ma'am Jen, narinig mo kanina magsalita. Yung
Hindi. Ano to eh. Pang speaker the next president of the Philippines. Si Vico Soto.
Yeah.
Oo, siya yung magiging speaker. Gaganon siya magsalita. Hindi siya yung ala ante,
Oo. Yung mainit ulo kaagad.
hindi lumalabas ang bahay.
Sino ba yung nag-ano ng
Si Ante Claire.
Nagvo-voice over din sa PAL?
Si Inka.
Asinga.
Parang ganun si Ma'am Joy.
Mm.
Welcome.
Welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Sa tax na.
This is the live
Hi,
dashboard.
Lauren.
Voice over.
Hi, Nathan.
Sa tax ad.
Opo.
Hi, Jessie.
Mga viewers mo, baka may tanong.
Tayo po ay lalapag sa paliparan ng patiklas.
Shout out ko kayo.
Kasi paano,
Sige.
paano ko nasa range? Load and make ready.
Yan.
Stand by.
Are you ready?
Are you
Please
ready?
stand by.
Please say, you're ready.
Triggers off. Fingers off the trigger.
Tapos yung mga swatting.
Swabe.
Swatting.
Close your left eye. Find the slack. Make sure you're holding the grip. 4/3, right over left.
Tapos makita mo yung estudyante mo. Bumudugo na yung, Ma'am, tama na.
If finished, unload and show clear.
So ito na last insert ulit.
I
No,
think last segment.
last segment.
Next up. Okay na.
Oh, yan na. Focus na tayo sa ano. Tax.
Yeah, plug na.
Mm.
And see more of our
Tapos na ako sa ano ko. Hindi na isingit ang love life. Eh.
Gusto niyo bang pag-usapan ng love life? May show
Wag na.
kami.
Friday.
May show kami, but
May
Friday.
tissue ka, may tissue.
Kaya po, marami yan.
Oh.
Friday. May show kami. May show kami tungkol sa mga love life.
Are you gonna talk? We have to announce a winner. Can you play later Linkin Park song? That was
Any?
just from the new
Up
album.
next? Or
No, later.
later?
Yeah.
Just lagay ko.
So maybe the next one.
Baka malimutan ko.
After the segment na.
Actually, play it net. Is that the shortest one?
The shortest one, wait. 2:42.
Yun na
Ito,
lang?
2:34.
Yun na lang.
Right, next na.
Tapos I need to announce a winner.
Right after the Linkin Park song, you have to announce it.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
You can remove the other one.
Yeah.
Sometimes, if you can fade out the song.
Fade out the song.
Yeah, you don't have to wait until it reaches the red mark.
Mm.
Like even if there's like 30 seconds left,
Mm.
you can just fade out and then start talking.
How do you fade out?
Hmm?
How do you fade out?
This one.
This one?
You lower it. That means
This one or this one?
this one. Yeah. So you just
Okay.
yeah.
I'll just.
So as you're talking, you turn your mic on, and then as you're talking, you fade out so that you.
Okay, that's perfect.
So like if
Now
you're
I know.
if you're running press for time, then you can do that.
Okay.
So even for this, let's just fade out into the next one. I'll teach you how to do it. Bring that up. The Linkin Park. No, not yet.
Nakalive
Bring
pala
that up.
to, no?
Linkin
Nakikita
Park.
ng mga tao.
Wait,
Hindi ako pwede bang ulangan?
And then click that one. It says cut.
This one.
Yeah.
Right now?
No. You don't have to do anything here.
Okay, okay.
It's only if you're
Ginawa-
talking.
ginawa-
See, click it. See what's
Daya mo,
happening.
nakatago ka dyan.
This is gonna segue and transition to that one.
Okay.
So that way, yeah, we're not obligated to play it from the beginning to end. Yeah.
That solves a lot of things for
Yeah.
me. Okay. Perfect.
Si Atom naghahanap ng kanyang button doon sa
So even for this, we'll cut it
We'll cut it
in like 30 seconds, and then I'll teach you how to do that. Okay.
Sandito yan.
So later when I talk, this is what when
Asa mismo.
you slowly like bring it down as I talk.
As you're talking.
Yeah.
Sabi ng text, sir, ito pa dito. Ah, okay.
Let me know.
You know kailan lang yung ginagawa na you have to wait for everything to end. Alam niyo to. You don't know it because you're young.
Oh, okay.
Because during our time, you have to, when you like a song, you have to wait for it on the radio, and then you have a tape recorder, and you have
Yeah.
to be ready. Ayun yung sofa.
Tapos bigla.
Tapos nakakainis pag yung DJ salita na salita, so you don't get the whole song because
Hindi
the
ko
DJ
inabot
keeps
yan.
talking over the music.
Umamit ka.
Hindi ko inabot yun.
Kaya sa NU107, si Francis, si Kiko, don't talk over the song. Kasi she's from that generation na abang
Okay.
Yes.
Pero ngayon, di ba, you can just get all these songs on YouTube,
Online.
you can download it and stuff, so it's okay for us now to talk over it.
Yeah.
Ano
Dati
yun?
parang ano yung sacrilege yun pag gano'n.
Oo.
If you're talking, if you
Parang
don't
mga drum beats
complete
pa.
the song,
Ano.
yeah. It's
Or-
for,
Nagre-record na siya buo na, oh shit, yes, tapos na
Dapat
biglang-
ikakat, not kinat. Oo.
Kinat or nagsalita.
Back then, it was like that. Kailangan mabilis kang
Oh my God,
mag
hindi mo nga naabutan pala yung kaset.
Eh, pwede natin, ano.
Relic.
Kaya yung multiplex ng daddy ko,
Yung mga
Gilas,
buta mo lang,
lahat,
relic.
lahat may record eh.
-1.
Yeah, so, throw on my mic.
Sinipencil ka pa.
Jam 88.3, that is Linkin Park with One Step Closer. And as I have promised, you have got the chance now to win 2 tickets for this Saturday. That is June 14 in BGC. And this is Emo Night Manila. That's right. All of your favorite 2000s songs are going to be played. And there's going to be a special performance by Chico Sai happening as well. And I know there's a tattoo studio booth and also some merch items and some giveaways. So here is the winner for today. Don't forget that we have one more winner for tomorrow that we'll be announcing for this Emo Night Manila, June 14, this Saturday in BGC. So congratulations to today's winner, and that is Jack Nasian Seno, who says, we're a bunch of emo kids back in 2004. One just passed away a few days ago, so I think he definitely deserves this one. So in memory of your friend, I hope you guys enjoy. He's tagged 5 of his friends. And then he says, Let You Fade is his favorite from the latest album of Linkin Park, From Zero. So congratulations once again, Jack Nia Snasian Seno. Congratulations for winning. You and your friend get to go to the event, Emo Night Manila, June 17, this Saturday. All right, your turn.
Nakaka-inlove talaga.
All
ang
right,
ganyan.
so I'll play one last song for you guys, and then we will be right back in to Guns and Road Rage. So here is Blink 182, only on Jam 88.3.
Oh,
So this is a short song lang, so it's like 2.5 minutes lang.
Blink
and then
182.
we can go right back in. And then, yun, last na to.
Ano yan? Shrek yan, Shrek.
So parang about tax, promote, then about Black Stallion, promote.
Yeah.
Shoutout mo yung mga ano, mga babies mo. Yung mga anak mo.
Kala ko, alam mo na.
Patay tayo dyan.
Tinatago ko yun.
Saan kayo nag-surfing?
LU.
LU.
Sino na nag-surfing? Ako nag-comment.
Videographer na lang yung daddy.
Buhay ba yung Twitch o wala rin?
Buhay ba?
Buhay naman.
Yes.
Wala naman nagko-comment. Nagre-request
No,
lang.
sa song request, yeah. Pero wala yung request nila.
Hindi ko alam kung may hindi ko makita.
I think alam na nila when I'm on board, I usually take in kasi song request. So biglang pumapasok, sunod-sunod sila. Kaso wala yung request.
Si Gail.
nila.
Mamaya na, relax na
Watching
sila.
them.
May show
So
eh.
I'm just excited.
Gail.
Okay, we have 55 seconds.
Si
Ano?
Gail
Si
is saying hi.
Shoutout tayo DJ Kiel.
Si Vince Paragas pala. Si Vince Rock. Oo nga, kaya pala sabi ko very
Parang
familiar.
similar.
Oo. Si Vince pala siya. Okay, fine.
Okay, 15 seconds.
Nabati
Tingnan
natin
natin
si
nawawala
Vince.
pong bata dito.
Nabati natin si Vince, diba?
Jam 88.3, that was Blink 182 with When We Were Young. And now we are right back in for Guns and Road Rage.
Yes, that's right. Thanks, Era. This is the last set for the Cold Red Radio for tonight. And we would like to promote the event, the Tactical Survival in Arms Expo 2025. So, Ma'am Jo, invite po natin ulit itong mga ating listeners.
Yes, okay. Again, we would like to invite you to come and attend the Tactical Survival and Arms Expo next week from June 19 to 22 at the Mega Trade Hall, SM Mega Mall. In tax, we promote responsible gun ownership. Sabi nga nila, it's better to have it and not need it than
To need it,
not
yeah.
need it, than need it and not
Not
have
have
it. So doon, may various display of firearms from Armscore, from Spinelli, from Nashi, and different firearm dealers, squires. And again, we have the LTAP Caravan. And aside from the LTAP Caravan, we also have PTC4 Caravan. So yung gusto mag-apply ng PTC4, since nabanggit kanina, magiging 5 years na ang PTC4. So come and go to Tactical Survival and Arms Expo. Also, free seminars.
Tsaka Tax Expo is not just firearms, of course.
Yes.
It's if you're a prepper,
Yes.
if you're into like yung mga tactical gear and whatnot. So almost everything is there.
Campers.
Campers,
camping,
yan.
camping
So,
tips.
yun.
they're also
So
good at that.
everything that
Yes.
if you're interested in all of that, do come over sa Tax
Preppers.
Expo, right? Tama po
And
ba?
yes, and we are also encouraging Filipinos to be part of the reserve force. So the National Capital Regional Defense Community Group has a booth there, and you can inquire on how to be a reservist.
Wow.
Yeah, so again, thank you so much to all the support orgs, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Philippine National Police, DERIN, and others.
And that's
Yes.
it. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jo. And how about Sir Mark?
Yeah.
Can you tell something about us, the
All right, so
Black Stallion?
yeah, after you go to the tax show, you go straight right ahead to Black Stallion Defense in
Binyagan na yung bagong
yes,
baril.
yes, Technopoint building, no? It's in Julio Vargas corner, Miraco Avenue. If you know CW Home Depot, we're open Tuesdays to Sundays, 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. Yan. So it's a tactical shooting range. It's different from any other shooting ranges. We do tactical shooting there, no. Very very big difference when you go there. You will see yung mga VTAC barriers like that. So we can also do low light shooting over there. So that's what we do there, no. So pagkabili nyo, may express ano ba ang ano?
Express release.
May
tama?
express release ang Tax Expo, ma'am, no? So after purchasing your firearm, you bring it straight ahead dun sa Black Stallion Defense, Ortigas Technopoint, Pasig.
Yun,
Thank
testingin
you,
na
Sir
natin
Mark.
yan.
Yes.
So,
Thank you.
Testing
ang
agad.
fan page or FB page ng Tax Expo ay,
Tactical Survival and Arms Expo.
and ang Black Stallion.
Yes, we also have a page, Black Stallion Defense.
Alright,
Yes.
that's it. So, shout out tayo, no, sa ating mga listeners and especially to DJ Gale. Good evening.
Yes,
Thanks for
DJ
tuning
Gale.
in. Ito, kasama ko si
Si
Sir
Doc
Mark, tsaka
Lawrence
si,
of
Ma'am
the
Jo.
Senate, no? Siya yung yung nag-update sa atin regarding dun sa amendments of Republic Act 10591. So Doc Lawrence, share to.
See you soon.
See you soon. Also a professor, speaker.
Yun. Shout out, Ma'am Jo. Sino bang ma-shoutout natin?
Um,
Vince
to
Rock.
everybody, Vince Rock, Black Octopus Arms Corps, Squires, Spinelli Nashi, TAC Gear Trading, Ondoy Boat, other exhibitors, everybody. Thank you so much always for the support. And again, next week na,
Yes.
celebrate your Father's Day there
Yep.
at Tax Expo.
Si
Hi to my wife, Weng, Riley, Rowan, Rina, my kids, and also my Victory family from Victory Christian Fellowship, Alabang.
Yun,
top
good
spot.
evening.
Top spot, True Wave,
Mm.
Grayman Elite.
Si Sir Mike Guason. Good evening.
Oh, Mike, pwede ka na lumos ang range.
Buksan mo na tayo range. Ayan. And to my wife, thanks for the support. April, and she's here.
Ang
Yes.
sakit naman ng ano.
Thank you. So,
Jan.
thank you for visiting us here at Jam 8.3. And yes, everyone, if you are interested in all of that, of course, do go to the Tax Expo that's happening at Megatrade Hall,
Yes, as a mega mall.
SM Mega Mall on June 19
to
to
22.
22. Yeah, so there you go. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in to Code Red Radio. Mark?
This is Mark. Thanks for listening. Code Red Radio.
Thank you, Jan.
Ready.
Thank you.
Yay!
Picture muna kayo, guys.
Yo. Na, ako na yung picture kanina. Excited eh.
Doon, doon.
Ayun,
Mandatory.
sa merong
Picture kayo sa ano.
backdrop.
Kunti lang toxic yung course ko na test the events management.
Picture kayo
Magpiprint
dun
sana ako dito na ano eh.
Sa gumagalaw na likod.
Sintra board.
Kasama natin.
On your phone?
Sila nila po.
Okay.
Pag-video yata.
Eat ka na?
I did. Thank you.
Oo, kumain na siya.
Salamat.
Dala ni Ma'am Jo.
Thank you. Tara. Picture tayo.
Go, sama na kayo.
Bye.
Ay, kayo ba feature? Kayo ba?
ko. Bigyan lang ako mo.
Bakit? Wait, hintayin natin. Lumitaw yung jam na. Do. Pasok, in pa kayo. Dikit. Ma'am Jo, dikit kayo ng konti. Ayan. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Hindi, wala yung jam na logo. Wait lang ha.
Kailangan may timing yan eh.
1, 2, 3. Ayan, sana nakuha ko na siya. Tingnan mo nga, Ro. That's your film.
Yes, okay. It's okay.
Alright. Ay,
Okay.
Alright.
magsiselfie ako siya.
Yeah.
Photo, okay. Alright. Wait, one more. Wait lang ha. Stay. 1, 2, 3. Aquarius para ano.
Hindi na pa naman Julia ko na.
One more. Patingin po kung carry naman. Okay naman po. Alright. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, isa pa. One more. Minultiple ko kasi gumagalaw yung likod. Pakicheck na lang
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Hindi tayo push up.
Push up challenge eh.
Wag nga yung hulas kayo. Pag may aircon na. Oo naman. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa
Thank you po.
pagpunta.
Salamat po.
Thank you. Thank you.
Visit the range.
Oh,
Gift check so you can
So, pag ni...
Ma'am April, sasama ka next week.
Oo nga po. Bubuntot lang naman po ako.
Reels? Ganun?
Ikot ka dun, ma'am.
Opo.
Pag may kahanapin ako, wala kami paligid.
Papabili ako kay Mark ng mga bagay.
meron kami bagong sibog na sa batin.
May request. May request!
Bagay na ano ako ngayon, rock na lang. O, nabibingi na.
May holster, tapos gamit mo yung haba.
Correct.
Sige. I like that. I like that. I like that. Ang angas.
Correct.
CMD po sa may...
CW.
Ah, CW pala.
Malapit na.
Yeah, let me know.
Tomb Raider.
Basta na lang, Mark.
Tomb Raider,
That's
shit.
Tuesday to Sunday.
Okay.
Close lang ng Monday. Tapos 1 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Okay.
Yun ang problema. Ano oras pala yun?
Kanino pong phone to sa inyo?
Sa akin po.
Ano to?
Ay, okay. Di ba ka lang...
1 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Ay, 8 p.m. pala sir. 1 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Ah, yeah. So wala man ako 1 p.m.
Alright.
6 na lang nandito eh.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, thank you. Sorry, mainit po ah.
Okay. Thank you po.
Thank you. Nice
Salamat.
meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Ay, may kawo.
Ang kulit mo, Mark. Kakalito ka.
Baliw!
It's gonna be fun. Yeah, I will.
Yeah.
I needed this.
Baka makita nyo sa TikTok. Meron kami. Makikita nyo yung mga girls firing.
Asan yung item na ano?
Ah, ito?
Patingin.
Ito?
Ano ba naman?
Ano ito tag ko dito? Itong arms score? Or the tax expo?
Para na makita yung ano. Ito na lang palang paper pa.
Na-out na natin to, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Hindi ko alam. May panapatingin mo.
If nag-out na.
Alam niyo naman ako.
So yun na...
Yeah, we're still live. Bye-bye! Thank you for coming in.
Yung pala siya.
Mm.